Hi guys, so you've received your first order, great. Here it is. I'm going to take you through what to expect to receiving your first order, what you've got there, and also how to set up your heat press to make sure that you get the right press every single time, okay? First off, you've just received your order, you pull it out, comes in a padded pack, okay? So you've got your transfers. Now, in your pack of transfers, if you've ordered 50, we always give extras, okay? And we give plenty of extras, so it's not just one or two, it's at least 5 or 6, even more at times, okay? So guys, make sure that you do a test press of one first on a bit of fabric, have something loose on the side, not on the client's job, just so that you can get the confidence, yep, perfect, done, this transfer is ready to rock, okay? These transfers are different to a digital transfer, so you just wanna make sure that everything's right, okay? Cool. You also would have received one of these. It's an application guide, okay? So it gives you a bit of guidance on temperature and time, as well as the pressure and a couple of little just tips there. So guys, make sure you read this just in case there's ever any changes with our transfers. It is an always evolving product as we look to improve it. So make sure that you're checking this. We will always try to highlight if we've changed it from recent times, okay? So just make sure you check that. Cool. So guys, here's our press, okay? First off, we're using a clamshell here, as many of our customers are, okay? We're gonna first off have a look, what's our application instructions? We tell us 140 to 150 degrees on this one here. So I'm gonna set my press at 145. I'm also setting it to 10 seconds. 10 seconds is what we've recommended. The final thing to check is make sure that the base plate's locked in and that we've got good pressure. How do we do that? Well, just press it down, okay? That felt pretty firm, it locked in nicely, it wasn't flimsy. I'm happy with that level of pressure. This one here doesn't have a pressure sensor or anything like that, so it's literally just a feel thing, okay? Cool, so we've done that. Also, just a little tip, in doing that, I've also heated up the base plate, which just makes sure that you've got heat in that as well, so that when you do that first press, you know, you're getting good heat from top, and it's also heating the garment from beneath as well. Good. All right, we take our first garment, black t-shirt. In actual fact, don't even start the clients, just get something loose. Might be a scrap piece of t-shirt, might be something that you've got lying about, you might have other transfers all over it. Lay it down, take your transfer like this. There's no backing that you peel off, okay? The transfer has a plastic carrier on it. You can see the print through. On the back side, it's actually quite rough. Now, this is the glue. This is the glue that bonds into the actual garment itself, okay? So you wanna make sure that you place this transfer down with the plastic on top. That's really important. And like I said, you don't peel anything off the backing. It's really fast. This is a great transfer to press down. You'd place it onto the actual plate, and this is a test one, and you would pull it down, do your 10 seconds, and then peel the plastic away. Now, I'm gonna do this onto a garment to give you a demonstration of doing an actual transfer. I'm just gonna make sure that we press this nice and square. We can use it as a bit of a demo. There, I've placed it down. Remember, I had a bit of heat in the base plate. Pull it down, locked in, nice and firm, okay? It's gonna count down 10 seconds. It's a little bit longer. There we go. Okay, and now this is important. You wanna do a quick full movement. So just like that, okay? That's how we wanna do it. We don't wanna peel this transfer slowly where we're unsure. You wanna make sure that you just, cool, good press, and then just peel away confidently all the way through the transfer. There's a tendency with screen printed transfers to want to bond with the plastic. Okay, it's in our manufacturing, you've got to make sure that it doesn't fall off while we're making it. It is a hot release, so it's designed to peel while it's hot, but you've got to make sure that when you get it, you just peel it away in one full movement, okay? That there is going to give you the best press every single time. Now, a couple of things on this. We do say on our instructions an immediate hot peel, just like that. You saw there was a good 5, 6, 7 seconds between the plate lifting and peeling. If you wait for it to cool too long, you might find it's a little bit tougher to peel because it's designed to release hot, okay? If you're not confident doing it hot, you can wait for it to cool down, put it to the side, wait 5-10 minutes, come back, and then peel it cold. Perfectly fine. As long as it's well pressed, it'll release and no problems at all. We just find it a little bit slow, but that's totally okay. A couple other things that I just want to show you about the heat press where we have frequently asked questions. Making sure that the pressure is right. Some people use this on bags, they do other sort of cooler items and things like that. If you've got a big plate and you put your garment halfway on the plate, so you're not using the back half at all, you're only using the front half. If you do this with a heat press that's center pinned, it's going to cause the actual heat plate to tilt a little bit, dropping down on the back of the bottom plate, but still being raised up by the garment that you're pressing. And what happens is it tilts up like this. And you'll find across the very front of your press on the garment, where maybe your transfer is, you might have lost some of that pressure. So always make sure that your garment is all the way across the actual plate itself, or have some sort of like maybe mouse pad or a bit of fabric, the similar sort of size at the back of your press to make sure that there's an even pressure onto your top plate all over that plate, okay? So we've set our plate up properly, we've got pressure right, we've got pressure is even, temperature and time, and from an application point of view, the transfer just goes onto the garment and a quick peel. Guys, if you have any other questions once you've received your transfers for the first time, you want to get in touch, there are other frequently asked questions on our website to show you. Have a look at those first, then get in touch via email or phone if you still haven't got the answers. We're only more than too happy to help. Happy pressing, guys. We look forward to doing orders with you.